Welcome to this tutorial where we're going to show you how to use Excel and other Office programs totally free on your iPad. What? Could I really use Excel, Word and PowerPoint on my iPad? For free? You kidding me, right? No, I'm not kidding, I'm seriously. I will now show you how you will do it with 100% free App Store application. It's called CloudOn. Just search for CloudOn in App Store and you will download it. You also need a Dropbox or a Google Drive account, but that's easy to set up. I didn't even have it myself before using this app, so because I usually use SkyDrive. When you open CloudOn, you first choose your account. In my case it's Google Drive. Then you see your files and folders. That's what you see in screen in front of you right now. Up in the middle you have buttons. The left one is only controls how to show files and folders. Second one, you could change settings, use help and get a short. To the right you could launch Excel, Word or PowerPoint. In this tutorial I will show you Excel and how it's really could use a lot of nice Excel features in an application. I have tried several other applications. All of them are paid applications and none of them is even close to beat CloudOn. We open a prepared file named Excel for iPad. It could take a little bit of time depending on the network connections, of course. You could see 2 pivot tables and a pivot chart together with 3 slicers. The slicer worked perfectly, as you can see. I could use to choose filter, and I could even use the control button to select different fruits. And then I clear all the filters. As you can see, the menu tabs are loaded with Excel features, all Excel features you will need. Also tabs for pivot tables and charts, etc. shows up when they are selected. If I select a chart, the tabs for design, layout and layout is showing up. If I double click on the y-axis, the fully format options show up. I can choose to change display units, in this case from thousands to none, for example. What's really great is that most shortcuts seems to work really fine in this application. If I select a cell outside my chart, my keyboard will show up on the screen. At the top, all the functions keys are available. If I, for example, now press Shift F11, Shift plus F11, a new worksheet is inserted at once. Now we could try some basic things. I just type fruit sales in cell A1, and to stay in a cell, press Ctrl Enter. I choose a dark red color with a white font color, and we choose the font size to be a little bit bigger, so let's say 20. And then we select A1 to E1 and go under the menu tab alignment and choose merge and center. Then I just put in some fruits and numbers for our 4 month in cell A3 to E6. First the fruit, and then I put in January, And then I can drag and drop. I drag the month list to the right and it works fine. And then I figures for banana, apple and orange. We use the Ctrl-T to define it as a table. And we could change the table layout to have some red color, for example. Match the font and cell color before. And then we insert a line chart. We go under Insert and then choose Charts and choose the line chart. And then to make it more understandable, we have to switch the row and column. I just pick that button. I hope you liked this tutorial and begin to use Excel spreadsheets on your iPad. Thank you.